You have your almost 80 grams of protein and around 500 calories or so. If that's something that you need, I got you covered. This right here is as much as that meal that you're making that has 80 grams of protein. So you see what I'm saying? You got to watch yourself. But 80 grams of protein and about 500 calories. And one meal, man, I got you covered. I'm about to show you how to do this with the Mr. Mom 3-2-1 system. I'm gonna explain it to you. 3-2-1, let's go shopping. Come on now. 80 grams of protein, about 500 calories in about 10-15 minutes. Man, I got you covered on this one. Check this one out. This one is so good. What we're following here is the Mr. Mom 3-2-1 method. Now, I created this method because every time I go grocery shopping, I try to think like this, and I want you to do the same. Let me know if this helps you out, okay? This method right here is what it is where you pick 3 proteins, you pick 2 fiber like vegetables or fruits, and then you pick 1 freedom food. Because if you do good on your meals throughout the day, man, go ahead, treat yourself at the end of the day, all right? Just don't go overboard, but treat yourself. You should have enough calories in at the end of the day, no matter what kind of diet you're on, to treat yourself, all right? So that's what I call the freedom foods, and I'll show you the one I'm suggesting today. You can choose whichever one you want. Let me know in the comments which one you like to choose, but follow this method. Go pick you out 1 of 3 proteins. So easy way to figure out your protein goals is whatever weight you want to be at. Let's say you want to get down to 150 pounds. That's your goal weight. Try to get 150 grams of protein in a day, all right? It's not that hard. I got plenty of videos on my channel to show you how to do it. This one right here is going to get you about 80 grams of one meal. So remember, in the 3-2-1 method, we're going to select 3 proteins. So 1 of 3 proteins, all right? And if you stick with these proteins throughout the week, you're gonna have plenty of meals, all right? Pick whichever protein you want to. And this one, I'm gonna go with chicken, all right? This one's so easy right here. Chicken is my go-to. One of my go-tos because it cooks quick, it tastes great, and there's so many different ways you can do it. As long as you keep the right sauces and spices in stock, you can make all kinds of stuff with chicken, okay? Now, I like to get the thin sliced chicken whenever possible because it cooks quick. Easiest way to do it is just add a little olive oil and cook it up. You can add butter if you want to. Whatever fits your personal diet, you go with that. But I like to add a little bit of olive oil. Sometimes, if I have time, what I'll do, like in the morning or the night before, is I'll take a few of these and I will marinate them. Put a little olive oil and maybe a little lemon juice, put them in a Ziploc bag, throw them in the fridge, man, let them jokers marinate. And then when you're ready to cook, you just get them out, put them on a pan, and they cook within 5-8 minutes or so, and you have you a meal right there, high protein meal by itself. Just add in your veggies or your fruit or your pasta or your rice or whatever you want to do. You have you a meal. That's simple, okay? You stay ready. You don't have to get ready. Come on now, I'm trying to tell you. But what I did was I used about 7 ounces of this chicken right here. Now, 7 ounces is going to get you about 42 grams of protein right there, just in the chicken breast by itself, okay? Now, let me show you what I put with the chicken breast, all right? Now, what I want you to do is go look for this sauce right here, all right? This sauce right here. This is the one I always use when I'm making an Alfredo, a chicken Alfredo, or any type of Alfredo sauce, pasta, anything. I use this one right here. The reason why is because the macros are pretty solid on it. If you turn it around, and I always suggest you turn that joke around and read the label to make sure it fits into your diet. This one is pretty good. I'm gonna show you another example, but let me tell you about this one real quick. Okay, so we got 1/4 cup, which is 45 calories, 3 grams of fat, 3 carbs, and 1 gram of protein, all right? And that's in this, okay, right here, okay? This is the one I like to use. I use it all the time. Kids love it. It makes it so easy. Man, you got chicken and pasta, boom, throw you some of this in there. Make sure you measure it out though, okay? But 1/4 cup, man, come on now. I usually use 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. Matters how much chicken I'm making. But now you have to watch it because let's say you go pick just another Alfredo sauce. If you look on the back of this one, it's a little bit different, okay? So now on the back of this one, 1/4 cup is 100 calories, 9 grams of fat, and 2 grams of carbs. So it just matters whatever fits into your diet. If you like this flavor, it'll fit into your diet as long as you don't go overboard and not measure and just dump this whole thing on there, all right? So make sure you hold yourself accountable, and that's the one you're gonna go with. But just to show you a little bit of difference, this one a little bit less calories than this one, less fat. If that's something that fits into your diet, you go with that, all right? Now here's a little cheat code for you. If you're looking to bump that protein up, let's say you take 1 serving of this, add you a little bit of cottage cheese in there. I'm a big proponent of cottage cheese because it's such a sneaky way to get more protein, gives it flavor. And even if you don't like cottage cheese, try it out. With Alfredo sauce, you probably won't even taste it. This is one of my favorite ones right here, Good Culture. If you can find it, go get it. It is great, okay? You're gonna get you about 14, 15 grams of protein in 1 serving, which is 1/2 cup, all right? So you put 1/2 cup with 1/2 cup of this, and you have your high protein sauce. If you don't wanna make your own Alfredo sauce, go with something like this. If you want to, put it in the comments comments. I'll show you how to make a high protein Alfredo sauce if you want me to. Put it in the comments and I'll make that video for you. I got you covered. But if you don't have time, man, just do this right here, high protein sauce with the quickness. Now, if you can't find good culture, that's all right. Daisy's got you covered, okay? Daisy is pretty much everywhere, okay? You can find these. I like to get these little ones right here. Because, man, these little jokers are 17 grams of protein in one little container. Great option if you're on the go. I've had these little containers, man, I'm just hungry. I grab a spoon, I grab one of these. I know I got 17 grams of protein and I'm out the door, okay? Or, you know, you just need a snack in the morning, or you're putting these with your eggs or just whatever, okay? It doesn't matter, however you want to roll, but these right here come in clutch, okay? So if you mix one of these with half a cup of this right here, you just added 17 grams of protein to your pasta with the quickness, all right? You won't even taste it. Try it out. Let me know if you get down like this, all right? But let me show you what else I found that is clutch. Check this out. Now, have y'all seen these? You let me know. Bam, check this out. Egglife, come on now, let's go. These jokers right here, one serving is 20 grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat that. I want you to go get some of these and keep them in stock, all right? Egglife, man, cheat code, game changer right here. I don't know what else you want to call it. Check this out right here. Let's look at these, okay? So 1 cup is 110 calories, 20 grams of protein, 3 carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. All right, now 1 cup of this. Come on now, tell me something. You find some better high protein pasta than this, you let me know, all right? Now, I use protein pasta a lot, but I saw these and I said, man, I had to jump on them. Let's go. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna cook that chicken real quick. You're gonna make your Alfredo sauce, and you're gonna add it to this right here. Bam. I'm trying to tell you, you have you almost 80 grams of protein and around 500 calories or so. If that's something that you need, I got you covered, man. This can be a great lunch, a great dinner, anytime. If you don't need 80 grams of protein in one meal, break it up. Break that joker up. You have your lunch and dinner. 40 grams of protein for lunch, 40 grams of protein for dinner. Add in a high protein breakfast, couple high protein snacks, and you're well on your way to hitting your goals. It's that simple. I'm trying to show you how to do it with the quickness. All right, so check these out. Have y'all seen these? Let me know if y'all seen these. Put it in the comments. Have you tried them? And what are some recipes you like to use? Because I'll go try it out as well. All right. Okay, so we got our protein part covered. Now let's check out the number 2, which is very important as well. I want you to go pick out like 2, let's say like a vegetable or fruit or something like that, okay? Now the vegetable I'm going with today is these asparagus. I talk about asparagus a lot because they're just great. Look at the size of these. I mean, these things are huge. Now, these are great. They're super easy to cook. What I'll do is I'll just cut them right here. I'll wash them. I'll throw them in a pan, a little spray oil or however you want to get down, spray butter, it don't matter. And I'll just put a little Tony Sashers on top. I'll put them in the oven sometimes. You can air broil them. They cook quick. All right, they cook quick. They're super good for you. Man, go get you some asparagus. Now, one thing I like to put on top is a little spray butter and a little Tony Sashers. Let's go. Put you some Tony Sashers in your pantry because you're going to be using it, okay? But go get you some asparagus. If you don't want to, grab some broccoli, cauliflower, whatever kind of vegetable. Get you some vegetables in your life. Come on now, put some vegetables in your life. But asparagus is one of my favorite ones. Tony Sashers, a little spray butter, you're good to go. And another one that I like to get right here for fruits is strawberries. Strawberries are great. Such a refreshing snack. Okay, you can have these any time of day. Now, one thing I do like to do with my strawberries, I like to put some of this on there. Tahini, keep some of this. I use this all the time. Now, if you take these strawberries and you sprinkle a little bit of this on there, you let me know if you do something like that. It is so good. There's something about the sweetness with all the flavor of it, man, it just goes great. Okay, try that out. That is a great snack you can have midday, goes with any meal, you know, just try it out, okay? You don't have to go with tahini if you don't want to, but I'm trying to tell you, try it out, okay? Strawberries, tahini, man, let me know if you get down like that, all right? All right, so for our one freedom food, I like to call it freedom food because if you're disciplined throughout the day, you have the freedom to treat yourself at nighttime, all right? But only if you were disciplined throughout the day, you go grab this. Have y'all seen these right here, protein pints? Man, come on now. Now, don't let it fool you. This whole thing is 30 grams of protein. So if you eat the whole thing, you're gonna get 30 grams of protein, but the whole thing is also 480 calories, okay? So just watch yourself. Now, one serving, which is 2/3 cup, is 160 calories. And that's gonna get you 10 grams of protein, okay? So I suggest you just use 2/3 cup, hold yourself accountable, get some measuring cups, and have some of this in the evening, okay? There's other options. What are some of the freedom foods you like to go with? This one right here is pretty good. Chocolate chip cookie dough is so good, all right? I'm trying to tell you, but you need to watch yourself, hold yourself accountable. Just because you did good all day, don't go throw it off and eat this whole thing and be in in the whole 500 calories, all right? This right here is as much as that meal that you're making that has 80 grams of protein. So you see what I'm saying? You got to watch yourself, but treat yourself. If you did good, treat yourself 2/3 cup and put the rest back in the fridge, all right? So get it out, put it in the measuring cup and walk away, all right? So treat yourself a little bit, come on now. So there you go, that's the 3-2-1 method. 3 proteins, 2 fiber foods, like a vegetable or a fruit or both, and 1 freedom food. If you've earned it, go get it, all right? So let me know if this helps you out. Next time you go shopping, think about that. What are the proteins I'm gonna get, okay? So if you get 3 proteins, you can have that throughout the week, okay? Beef, chicken, pork, whatever you wanna get down with, it's up to you. And then get you some vegetables or get you some fruits, all right? If you eat like this, you're gonna see some changes, because remember, nothing changes if nothing changes, all right? Let me know if this helped you out, and I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.